answer with honest reviews today, first thing in the morning. And what I want to show you guys is something I just got in the mail. It's just a really simple smartwatch, really sleek. An Apple Watch, actually. I've been wearing it for the last couple days, and people keep asking me if I got an Apple Watch. So I got this, pretty cool, pretty unique, good looking. I got the black. It comes with 3 different colors, I think. And for the price, it's unbeatable. But basically what you're gonna get is you're gonna have multiple different screens. This is the one I chose, kind of more of a tactical look. It's gonna give you your full date range. But you can also get on here, press this twice. It's gonna give you menus, so you can make phone calls, you can control your camera. It says it gives you physical activity, so it measures your heart rate, your stress rate. It connects to Alexa, so you can talk to Alexa, which is awesome. It keeps your workout. It does sleep. It tests your stress levels. It helps you breathe. You can set timers to wash your hands, all sorts of interesting things like that. The other cool thing is it does hook up to your phone. So like I said, it's a remote for your camera. So you can turn this on, boom, and then you can use your camera from a remote distance. The other really unique thing is when somebody calls you, it shows up right on there, and you can answer your call and talk on your watch, which is really pretty convenient, especially if you're doing a lot with your hands all the time. Don't want to be grabbing your phone. I do a lot mechanic work, so my hands are always greasy and nasty. I don't always want to pull my phone out of my pocket, so it's nice. I can just talk right there. It's pretty tough, pretty durable. I've been wearing it the last few days, beating it on stuff, and honestly, it's not even hardly scratching. So I'd say this is a really cool, unique find. Definitely everything I expected it to be for what I ordered. Some of the biggest questions were, can you respond to text messages on it? And you can't respond to text messages, but you can certainly receive them and read them and go through them. Also, the heart or the stress indicator, it's really pretty simple, and it seems to work every time. I've never had an error message come up when it's trying to read my stress levels or heart levels or anything like that. It's also really intuitive, so it has a smart activity thing where if you're working out, it just automatically detects that. Always tracks your steps. Also, it gives you the weather, which is pretty nice. I don't have to pull my phone out. If I go back to this main screen here, this is the weather right here. And then obviously it has multiple different screen options. You can choose like any other smartwatch. And then, you can also play your music through this, so you have music control. So as long as it's connected to your phone, you can link straight to it and even play your music straight here. Also, it's kind of fun. It gives you little badges and reminders as far as like how many calories you're burning a day. So I'll get a little badge that says, oh man, you burned 500 calories. So just kind of a fun little thing, let you know you're doing good and can you move forward. I recommend this little smartwatch to everybody. As you can see, you got text. I can flip through different texts from people. Pretty cool. It's pretty basic, nothing crazy. It's not complicated. All you have to do is download, it's called VeryFit app. So when you get this, as soon as you get it, you throw it on the charger, you download the app, connect to it, and you're good to go. All the settings will be right through there. And then, yeah, pretty straightforward. So I highly recommend these. Check it out.